Hey, welcome back. I'm gonna show you how to calculate square feet area by using AutoCAD software. Let's begin with the first step. The first step is first you need to draw one object for your comfortable. So then give a dimension for that. Just search dimension option. Then give a dimension for the respective object. So here you can see all the dimensions are in millimeters. Okay, so once after you give a dimension for the object, here you can, the one option is there, selection cycling, so that should be defaultly turn off, but you should turn on it. So then you can search BO commands. In BO commands, BO boundary is there. You can click on BO boundary, go to pick points and pick the entire body in the middle of the object. So you should select and click on enter. So then go to outer body lines, then pick the outer body lines, and here you can see the option called polyline. So then on the keyboard you should press Control and 1, and one pop-up will enable. Just come down here, one option called area, just click on area. Here one calculator will be enabled. Let's see, I just click, the calculator will be enabled. So you just click on calculator. So here we got a surface area of the that object. It is in square millimeter, so I want to convert square millimeter to square feet area. So how to convert first? So we got already, it is in square millimeter. So right now unit type, just come down, unit type is area. So then yeah, it is in actually, it is in length actually, but by defaultly it is selected in length. You should go and click it and selected area. So then convert from square meter, no, it is square millimeter, square millimeter to convert to square feet. Yeah, right now we got the square feet area. Converted value is 147.18 square feet area. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you catch you in the next time.